Get out to lose conscience.
You don't get conscience. So I did laugh for floor.
You the Chris.
Conscience will take up.
Okay, man, no man, bad. What is best?
Sisi years, the power. But they won't be there. I will be out because they need to diet. Won't I go? Never say that so. I will do one. I want to give you 2 times. That's from original. I'm not telling you about the casino. I'm original. I will tell you, I'm not going to tell you. When can you never buy casino? One original. Okay, Saluta. I'm not going to grab your papa. I'm going to do reggae and be a million. If you are a serious man, you know why you are ready. You are very serious. I don't want to come back. You are very serious. I'm going to serious. Where you go?
When I tell you E-Tech is E-Tech, you believe me. Blood. The man with so much wisdom.
We'll be taking audio messages shortly, just a few messages, and then we will call it. While we wait for the band, ladies and gentlemen, permit me to respectfully acknowledge the presence of His Royal Majesty. He's a very good friend of mine, and that is not known his and aside that, he's a father, not just to myself, but to all of us that comes close to him. I'm talking about one of that.
So, as I speak to you now, E-Money is currently in detention at the EFCC. As I speak to you now, I know say EFCC go to wonder how I take find out, but like I said, I got eyes everywhere. Do you understand? I get informants for everywhere. So, allegedly, yesterday, about 50 men stormed E-Money's house, and that was how they arrested him. Now, why did they arrest him? Because of this video. Now, as you can see in this video, E-Money they spray flavor pounds for OBICUBANA birthday. EFCC carry him not because he spray money, because according to them, as in they spray pounds, in leg can't touch naira. In leg they on top naira. That's why they arrested him. They say it is naira mutilation. Saying leg touch naira. So person won't go spray pounds. He go they look ground before he go spraying pounds. For a party where crowd they making the look ground. Meanwhile now, Okoya Pikin, Yoruba man Pikin, Okoya Pikin, he do naira mutilation where even the first PRO talk. Say this is naira mutilation. They can't arrest the policeman where they did. They invite Okoya Pikin, nothing was done. Now so that case don't go. But now you go E-money house, go pick E-money. Say leg mistakenly touch naira. That's why you picked him up for naira mutilation. But Okoya Pikin, you no touch him. I'm beginning to believe this story that you people are against the Igbos in this Lagos. I don't believe I'm slow. There's a conspiracy against the Igbos. And you know the craziest part? According to my investigation, that EFCC commander, where they for a lorry, now they don't carry come Lagos now. That one where we say they involved for that EZT, this thing, where they take carry EZT from Lagos, go Ilori, go lock out for over 8 days for Mesichinwo case. Now in don't day now. So maybe as they don't do money now, they'll say, hey, that one too na Igbo, but na lie. I see a tribal game going on. Okoya Pikin do. They say no, up to now, but now don't go carry Igbo man. The other day when I carry Isoko man, Terry Apala for naira mutilation. But Okoya Pikin, they never still touch him up to now. So you see how corrupt EFCC are. And I keep saying this thing, I know the year. But I don't blame them. They can do this because a lot of Nigerians are also in support. You remember Okoya children time? At the talk and they say, very that one, you don't know be Okoya, they get Nigeria. In fact, they borrow to una empower that character. Una empower, now they don't go carry another person. Of course, E-money never borrowed Tinubu money before now. But you see, slowly, you go touch all of now. As soon as no one talk. Now, I'm not a fan of E-money. I don't even like him at all. I don't like his lifestyle. I don't even want to know him. But, Mona release E-money. If you people cannot take Okoya's children to court, why are you harassing everybody, bro? Why? Why? Is the law different? Why? And E-money, who you don't offend? Because this one be like set up. Who you don't offend? You better go and check. But release E-money. Release him. If you cannot hold Okoya's children, you have no right to hold any Nigerian anywhere. You have no right. Let E-money go. Let E-money go. Let E-money go. Now again to celebrities. They are purposely targeting a lot of you. Purpose is deliberate. So that they will not show Nigerians that they are working. They are not working. These people are very corrupt. EFCC are the most corrupt people. Like I said, 70% of them are corrupt. When they are ready to let me prove it, I'll prove it to them. They should come and say, be a very dark man defame EFCC. Let's go to court. Let us go. I will prove it that 90% of you are corrupt. Release the money. And celebrities be watchful as they go. When I'm not going to spray money. If they don't pass them as law, no problem. I'm not going to tell you to break the laws. There's naira mutilation laws, no problem. But the pattern at which you are using a pattern to follow it. And celebrities are the targets. Economic and Financial Crime Commission. When I don't follow politicians, governor thief money, they don't leave them. Okowa now own, still there. Nobody they talk. You don't join APC now. Not his talk. You don't go carry money. Tomorrow now, who you go carry? Tomorrow now, you go carry. Make us spray naira, Mona touch me. Corrupt people. Thieves. Now na be. Release the money. Release the money. Release the money. Tribal thoughts. The Oga said for EFCC said na even Yoruba Joy said. Release the money. Else you're gonna learn and you will learn the hard way. Injustice for one is injustice for all. Peace.